Now we're looking at equilateral triangles, and remember that if you have equilateral triangles, they're also equiangular. So in this case, if we want to find the measures of P, Q, and R, remember that all three of these angles are equal. So we can say that if we just find one of these, we'll be okay. So we can just say 3 times the measure of angle P is equal to 180. And if we divide both sides by 3, we can say that the measure of angle P is equal to 60, and that's also the measure of angle Q, and it's the measure of angle R. So all three of them are 60 degrees, and that's going to be true for all equilateral triangles. Again, all three of those angles are equal, and so we can just say 3 times the measure of angle P. We get measure of angle P is 60, and all three of them are 60. Now here we want to find the length of ST. Hopefully this is a pretty easy problem. If this is equiangular, then it's also equilateral. So ST is 5, and SU is also 5 here. And again, if it's equilateral, it's equiangular. So ST is equal to 5. And finally, is it possible to have an equilateral triangle with an angle measure other than 60 degrees? No, this is impossible because, again, if it's equilateral, then it's going to be equiangular. Just as it says here, it's not possible for an equilateral triangle to have an angle measure other than 60 because the triangle sum theorem and the fact that the triangle is equilateral guarantees that each angle will be 60 degrees because all pairs of angles are considered to be the base of the isosceles triangles. So, in other words, what it's saying is all three of the angles are 60 degrees to make it 180. And that's it. Thanks.